Science, chemistry. At the fierce competition between the Western world, led by the United States of America, and the Eastern world, led by Russia, in the field of chemistry. Chemistry is a fascinating and dynamic field of science that explores the nature and behavior of matter at the molecular and atomic level. There are many exciting developments and discoveries happening in chemistry around the world, both in the United States and the Eastern world. Here are some of the latest ones. 1. In the United States. Researchers have developed smart rust, iron oxide nanoparticles that clean water by attracting pollutants such as oil, nano, and microplastics, glyphosate, and even estrogen hormones. This could revolutionize water cleanup and provide a sustainable solution for environmental remediation. 2. In the Eastern world. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC, has announced the 2022 finalists for the top 10 emerging technologies in chemistry. These are innovative technologies that have the potential to open new opportunities in chemistry and beyond, such as aerogels, fiber batteries, film-based fluorescence sensors, liquid solar fuel synthesis, nanoparticled mega libraries, nanozymes, rational vaccines with SNA, sodium-ion batteries, textile displays, and VR-enabled interactive modeling. 3. In the United States. Another development in the United States is the discovery of a better way to capture carbon dioxide from industrial emissions using a cost-effective nanomaterial. The nanomaterial is composed of copper oxide nanocrystals embedded in a porous polymer matrix that can selectively absorb carbon dioxide from flue gas streams. This could help mitigate climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 4. In the Eastern world. Scientists have successfully recreated and mathematically validated two molecular languages at the origin of life. These are peptide nucleic acid, PNA, and glycol nucleic acid, GNA, which are considered to be possible precursors of DNA and RNA. The researchers used computer simulations and experiments to show how these molecules can encode and transfer information, paving the way for new nanotechnologies and synthetic biology applications. These are just some of the examples of the latest developments in chemistry in different regions of the world. We must also look at the fierce competition between the Western world, led by the United States of America, and the Eastern world, led by Russia, in the field of chemistry, as follows. FRST America. 1. Research focus. In the United States, chemistry research during the Cold War era was primarily driven by a combination of academic institutions, government funding, and industrial applications. Chemistry played a crucial role in various fields, including pharmaceuticals, materials science, polymers, and petrochemicals. 2. Academic excellence. American universities and research institutions, such as Harvard, MIT, Caltech, and the University of California system, were at the forefront of chemical research. The United States was known for its strong emphasis on academic excellence and the production of world-class chemists. 3. Industrial applications. American chemical companies like DuPont, Dow Chemical, and Eastman Chemical played a significant role in the development and application of chemical innovations. The focus on industrial applications led to the creation of new materials, processes, and technologies. Secondly, Eastern Bloc. 1. State-controlled research. In the Eastern Bloc countries, such as the Soviet Union, East Germany, and Poland, scientific research, including chemistry, was heavily controlled and influenced by the state. The government directed scientific priorities based on national goals and ideological objectives. 2. Emphasis on heavy industry. The Eastern Bloc placed a significant emphasis on heavy industry, such as steel production, mining, and military applications. Chemistry research was often geared towards supporting these industries, including the development of new polymers, catalysts, and chemical processes. 3. Centralized planning. Scientific research in the Eastern Bloc was organized through centralized planning, where research institutes and universities were directed to work on specific projects aligned with national goals. This approach sometimes led to a lack of flexibility and limited collaboration with the international scientific community. For limited access to Western literature. Due to political and ideological reasons, scientists in the Eastern Bloc had limited access to scientific literature from the Western world, including American research journals. This isolation resulted in a delayed exchange of scientific knowledge and hindered collaboration with researchers outside the bloc. It's important to note that these descriptions represent general trends, and there were exceptions within both regions. After the Cold War, the scientific landscape in both America and the Eastern Bloc underwent significant changes, with increased collaboration and exchange of knowledge between researchers from different countries. What is the latest development in chemistry between America and Russia and China? 1. America and Russia. A collaboration. Despite geopolitical tensions, scientific collaboration between American and Russian chemists has continued in various areas. Researchers from both countries have collaborated on projects related to catalysis, materials science, environmental chemistry, and drug discovery. B. Nuclear chemistry. Both countries have been involved in nuclear chemistry research, particularly in areas related to nuclear energy, radiochemistry, and nuclear waste management. Cooperation has taken place through scientific exchanges, joint research projects, and international conferences. C. Chemical arms control. The United States and Russia have been engaged in dialogues and agreements related to chemical arms control. These discussions involve the monitoring and verification of chemical weapons disarmament, as well as efforts to prevent the proliferation of chemical weapons. 2. America and China. A research collaboration. Chemistry research collaborations between American and Chinese scientists have been extensive, covering a wide range of areas including organic synthesis, materials chemistry, nanotechnology, and energy storage. Joint research projects, academic exchanges, and conferences have facilitated collaboration between the two countries. B. Environmental chemistry. With a growing emphasis on environmental sustainability, both the United States and China have been actively involved in research related to pollution control, air and water quality, and the development of sustainable materials. Collaboration in these areas has aimed to address shared environmental challenges. C. Emerging technologies. Chemistry plays a crucial role in the development of emerging technologies such as quantum computing, advanced materials, and renewable energy. American and Chinese researchers have been engaged in collaborative efforts to advance these fields, often through joint research projects and technology transfer. It's important to note that the political landscape and international relations between countries can impact scientific collaborations. The dynamics and specific developments in chemistry between America, Russia, and China may have evolved further. Hussein Hassanin. Writer and researcher.
برجاء اضغطوا على زر الاشتراك والإعجاب حتى نستطيع الاستمرار في نشر الفيديوهات. مع الشكر الخالص لحضراتكم.